Guys, today in this game we're going to do something very special. We're going to be doing something. You will see what it is. Ready? Look how much points I have. Look at 1k coins or points. Let's go on powerful. Good. We're going to do. We're going to do this one. 999p. 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Well, that was actually really cool. I've never seen that before. Okay, emergency, someone did it again. Someone did it again? Nah, that is crazy. It happened 2 times. I swear I didn't do it. Oh, hi. Cat. Alright, cat. Hi, cat. Well, let's see what's happening in there. Don't say anything. Okay. I'm gonna do something. Bet I bet you're excited for that. Oh, okay, yeah, again. Okay, yeah, teach not so you get for torturing.